Hello dear Scorpions, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. So today we are going to talk about your tarot card predictions for the month of June 2020. The first card, Scorpions, Queen of Cups. This is very much a Scorpion card. This is a watery sign. As Scorpion is a watery sign, this card is also more about emotions, more about watery sign again. So this card says that you are going to get some kind of emotional support from a female energy, from a female person in your life. Okay, it can be a wife, it can be a sister, it can be your colleague, it can be a friend or an elderly person also, but a kind of loving support that you will need you is coming to you this month. Okay, this card also says, also guides you that you shouldn't get emotionally low, or you shouldn't get insensitive. The card says that there may be chances that you may get insensitive with your emotions, because that is how the basic nature of Scorpions. So this card says that try to avoid being insensitive, especially emotionally. Try to avoid being insensitive. Okay, dear Scorpions. And the second card is High Priest. Okay, so the High Priest is a card which says, which actually don't won't clearly give us indication, won't make things clear, but it says that over a period of time you will be having clarity. For say for example, if you are working somewhere and if you are not sure what to do, or if you are not no, you are going through some conflict, so the High Priest says that listen to your intuition, listen to your inner self, and just go forward with that. Okay, so when you do that, you will be on a right path. Okay, so the clarity, you will be able to get more clarity that way. So the High Priest says that you should be more clear, you should be more you should be it's again a female energy, it's again a sensual energies. There are two cards that are talking about female sensuality here in this month for you, dear Scorpions. So these cards are, I think these cards are saying that, trying to say or indicate that uh, uh, something which will be revealed to you uh, in the coming month. I mean, in the month of June, things might get clear. No, the guidance that you are seeking might surface, or the kind of clarity that you are seeking might surface this month. Okay, dear Scorpions. And uh, yeah, so the third card is about Two of Pentacles, which says that you may be dealing with a conflicting situation about relating to your money matters, relating to your work, or relating to your profession. In the sense, like you may be getting an opportunity also, or you may be getting where you have to make some decision, where you have to make some choice, either to go for it or not to go for it. And you are also trying to, I'm also seeing that you are trying to maintain a balance with your work and personal life here, but and you are able to do it more perfectly. So the card says that it's drawing your attention to maintain that balance in your work and personal life. And yeah, and also check out your finances. Okay, so check out, you have to balance your expenses and income as well. So keep a check on your finances also, dear Scorpions. All right, and there is an energy card which is again about a female energy. Okay, so the energy card for you Scorpions is about a woman holding a coin. This is again about a female energy. You will be guided. So these, most of the cards are around female energies this month for you. So you will definitely be getting some sort of guidance. A woman holding a coins says that you will have someone in your life, of someone, lady who is prosperous, lady who is in a good position, is going to guide you, is going to come forward to help you or to guide you, and you can seek some benefit from this lady here. Okay, it's again talking to you about some kind of alliance, some kind of new relationship also, which is going to be of benefit. So more of feminine energies in this month for you, dear Scorpions. Make good use of these feminine energies, what I say. There is a universe message for you. This is my again one of my favorite cards, which says happiness is my birthright. Yes, this is happiness is everyone's birthright, which we often forget. We often depend upon someone else. We often try to drive happiness from someone else, which is actually within us, which is our birthright. You have to, it the card says that choose happiness beyond everything. Okay, so the card, as the first card says, talks about the Queen of Cups. The first card which has come out about which talks about the emotional insensitivity that you may be dealing this month. So the maybe the universe is, in synchronization to that card is telling you that you have the right to be happy. Okay, so don't just simply get carried away with the emotions, or lack of insensitivity here. So don't just simply get carried away with these kind of things. Be strong enough, be bold enough, be intuitive at the same time. The card, the another card that guided us for that. Okay, so all in all, sort of positivity I'm seeing around female energies, with female energies in hand with you. So it's nothing to worry, and in fact a great time this month for you, dear Scorpions. Okay, so I really wish you good luck. Have a great time for this month. We'll catch you again in the next month. Till then, bye bye.